Good evening, I'm Rachel Carden. School officials say a staff member at Cherry Hill Elementary Middle School tested positive for the virus. The city health department says the person contracted the illness after schools closed on March 16th. This comes as workers in Carroll County are handling an outbreak of the coronavirus at a nursing home. The facility learned of 2 positive cases, and by the next day, 64 people had been infected. Kelsey Kushner joins us live now with what Governor Hogan expects for our state. Kelsey?
Well, Rachel, Governor Larry Hogan says that he's been watching the numbers for D.C., Virginia, and Maryland. He says in just 2 weeks, those numbers could start to look a lot like New York. It's a major spike of coronavirus cases in Carroll County.
And this is extremely serious because of the vulnerable nature.
Officials say there was an outbreak of COVID-19 at the Pleasant View Nursing Home in Mount Airy. A total of 66 residents tested positive. 17 residents were transported to 2 local hospitals, and a man in his 90s with underlying health conditions died.
If somebody's in a nursing home, they're there for underlying medical conditions. So we have 66 people who with underlying medical conditions who are infected with this virus.
Carroll County Health Department officials say some of the residents who tested positive didn't show symptoms. Health officials say the faculty is isolating patients and screening faculty members, and local hospitals are providing additional supplies for the staff.
Anything necessary to try to help them provide the care, as well as continue to try to prepare ourselves for any influx in patients.
The number of coronavirus cases continues to spread across the state. Sunday, the CDC confirmed over 1,200 cases, and the death count now stands at 15. Baltimore City Public Schools announced their first case with a staff member testing positive at the historic Cherry Hill Elementary Middle School, saying the staff member contracted the virus 3 days after schools were closed. On Fox News, Governor Larry Hogan says there's no timeline as to when the number will go down.
We think in 2 weeks around Easter, we're going to be looking a lot more like New York.
Now, city officials say that staff member that tested positive for COVID-19 has not been on school campus since the school shut down, nor were they handing out any learning packets or any meals to anyone who came on that campus. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJC.